We got all 4 pieces attached, and now we're ready to install the last 3 remaining shelves. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Amazon Basics 5-shelf shelving unit in black. They also have a chrome version available, and you can get this in different configurations, whether you want 3 shelves, 4 shelves, or 5 shelves. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this item or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have our 5 shelves right here, followed by all of our support columns. We have our shelf mounting kits right here, so we have 5 of them, 1 for each shelf. Looks like we got some spares in the yellow baggie, which is nice. We have 4 adjustable feet for the bottom shelf. And then you can see anti-tipping kit, and we have our instruction guide and manual. Now let's go ahead, let's get everything assembled. All right, so installation's simple and straightforward. First up, you can see we're gonna assemble the base unit right here. So you're gonna take the pieces that you see here. We're gonna start building that base. We're gonna attach our feet to the pieces marked C, and then we're gonna take our E-clips and put them in place. And then we can slide our shelf on it, and then we're gonna repeat that process again for the second shelf. All right, so check it out. You can see we got everything assembled right now, and it looks great. Couple quick notes. Make sure not to install the black clips on the double line, but I like to use that as a reference point so I know where I'm at on all the legs, and I go either above or below it to install. In this case, I went below it. And you can adjust that depending on your perceived needs for the shelf. And then also make sure, so you don't have the shelf upside down, you want to make sure that little notch is pointing down and at the bottom of the shelf. And you can see it's flat up here, and we have that overhang down below. You don't want it upside down where you then basically have a lip on all 4 sides. Now we're ready for the next step to attach the rest of the pieces. All right, so check that out. You can see right here we got all 4 pieces attached. And now we're ready to install the last 3 remaining shelves. All right, check it out. You can see the completed shelf right here. Very easy installation. It'll take you less than 10 minutes from start to finish. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.